I'm nervous.
Where am I going right now?
I'm nervous more about Sam's driving than about shooting a gun. Oh my god! Guys, we'll go back to the car.
We're up top.
Sam said a mean thing to me. Take a photo of me.
Holy. Hello?
Oh.
We're here.
Okay.
Okay, I'll meet you at the door.
Sounds good, buddy.
Okay, bye. We're going to shoot guns! Guys, this is Justin. He's taking a shooting today. Yeah, we're gonna be shooting what, a 9mm?
Yeah, 9mm.
Yeah, a 9mm gun.
Back to the vlog, it's Claire here.
So yeah, stay tuned, I guess. We're gonna die. You're gonna do great. Can you hear me?
Alright, so I'm gonna grab a target and then I'm gonna let off. That's how to do it.
Okay.
One thing that when you are gonna be shooting, I'm gonna be right behind you, making sure you're doing everything right and you're not gonna hurt yourself or anything like that. So get your sights lined up, put your finger on the trigger, and shoot.
Claire here. I don't know if you can hear me, but Sam's about to go and I'm so nervous.
See that? Yeah, okay. How do I take, oh yeah, just
Yeah,
up
there
down.
you go. You're all good.
See, I got the red. You see that? I got a bullseye on the bottom.
You can use this thumb too to press down. So here, I'll show you. Just
Oh, okay.
that.
4 times more powder than
Close your eyes.
Okay, Claire, no, your thumb. Lower.
Put it under there.
Off it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you bring it up to your eyesight, lean forward a little bit,
And I can go?
and slowly squeeze the trigger. So you should be good.
all over the place. Shoot the bow.
Yes?
Yeah, you can go again.
Let's go.
So we're just gonna have a competition. One shot. You want to get as close to the middle as possible. Just the farthest you may leave your second. No, that was
No, buddy, you got the bottom. You wish. I came second.
it's a GP 100.
And what kind of bullets go in?
357 Magnum.
But it's not a Desert Eagle.
No.
So when I like, do I pick it up like this, like load it, or like?
You want to pick it up like this.
Okay. And then
press that. And this will fall out.
it doesn't matter where.
Doesn't matter where. Yep.
Back.
You can put it back in.
Is it good?
There you go.
Smells.
Going to the rifle range. So exciting.
Just for the magazine.
So when you're shooting, this is forward though, right?
Yep, this is forward. That's forward. You have it pointed down there. Now look through the scope. Kind of get used to the scope. So just like I said, you want to pull this in
Okay.
and put your left hand.
Yep.
There you go. Just like that.
Okay.
So you brace it a little bit. And you see the crosshairs?
Yes.
Alright, now this scope is really shitty. Really, really shitty. So you're gonna aim a little bit down to the left when you get tired down.
Okay.
Not really through that.
So here is like here.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
And then aim. Another thing too is you can get your elbow on this table, so you can push it forward. Get the elbow on, lean forward, just like that. That's
Okay.
perfect. Just gotta make sure it snaps.
Okay. And then do this thing.
Yep, let's just go to safety on first, and then you push it forward and down.
And then back up or no?
Just when you've shot, after you shoot, that's when you want to pull it back.
Every time.
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Claire here. Sam's about to go.
See what I just did. You have to aim so much to the left. It's insane. I was aiming off the paper. We finished out the gun range. Just back at my house, we had pumpkin pie. Showed Claire the Assiniboine edit that's dropping in 2 days.
Pumpkin pie was unreal.
Yeah.
Costco, you've outdone yourself.
That was really, really fun. If you like what you see or you have any ideas for us to do, please subscribe.
Comment down
hit the
below.
like button below. Have yourself a good one.